Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Asana Connector for Odoo by BrowseInfo. This app seamlessly links your Odoo system with Asana, allowing you to sync project, task and user effortlessly between both platforms. It ensures real-time data update, eliminate manual entries and keep workflow consistent. With this integration, business can streamline project management, improve team collaboration and boost overall efficiency across Odoo and Asana. So here you can see your Odoo interface, and in here you can go into your Asana and you can create your account. Here you can see I have already created my account in Asana. Here you can see the BrowseInfo logo. Under that, when you click on that, you can see my workspace. Under that, you can go into the settings and here you will find the tab for apps. Go into that and in here you will find the button for build a new application. Go into that and you will be redirected to create an app. Click on that to create a new application. I will be creating BrowseInfo's Asana app. Here you can see I have created a new application, and under that you will find some checkbox. In that, click or select sync data between Asana and another tool. After that, click on the checkbox for I agree to the terms of Asana. Now click on create app. Here you can see a app is created for BrowseInfo. Here you can find a client ID and client secret. You need to enter this client ID and client secret in our Odoo interface. Here we will come into our Odoo interface and here you will find a module for Asana. Open that and create new credential for Asana. Here you can see you need to create your credentials. So I will be naming it as BrowseInfo's Asana app. Here under that, just save it, but you need to enter the client ID and client secret first. So we will go into our Asana and here you will find the client ID. Just copy your client ID, go into your Odoo interface and enter your client ID. Again, for the client secret, we will go into our Asana account and here we will copy our client secret. Here we have copied our client secret. Just enter your client secret here. After this, you can save the information. After that, we will again go to our Asana and here you will find the menu for auth. Here you can see an option for redirected URL. So you need to add your redirected URL here. So where can you find your redirected URL? It is in your Odoo interface. Enter your redirected URL and click on add after entering response after your URL. Here click on add and here you can see your URL is added into your Asana account. After this, here you will find a toggle button for full permission. Enable that toggle button. Here I have enabled the toggle button and here you will find a button for saving your changes. Here you can see your changes have been saved and everything. Now we will go into the manage distribution. Here we will come and we will create a new workspace in here. Click on add workspace and here you can see my workspace option. After selecting my workspace, click on add and here you can see my workspace is added into your Asana account. After this, we will go into our Odoo interface and here you will find a button for authentication. So click on that authenticate button and grant permission to Asana. Here you can see a page for granting the permission. Click on allow and here you can see the authentication is done. Here you can see that this credential is in authentication state. Now after this you will find the button for sync project. Click on that and you can see the project is syncing with Asana. Here you can see Asana workspace and Asana team, Asana project. These are imported successfully into your Odoo. So to check that, we will go into the Asana, and in here you will find launch Asana button, and here you can see your Asana account. Here you will find a project which is an Asana account in the name of supplier management. Here you can see the project. Now we will come into our Odoo interface. We will go into the project module, open that, and here you can see a supplier management project is created. You can see the task in it is 0. So again we will go into our Asana module. Here we will go into the credentials, and here you will find another button for sync task. Click on that and you can see your task is being synced. Here you can see that Asana task is imported successfully. So we will go into our project module. Here you can see our project module. Go into that, and in supplier management you will find the 3 tasks. Open that, and here you can see the 3 tasks which is imported from Asana into our Odoo. Here you can see the stages also of your task. So for this, now we will go into the Asana module. Here go into the Asana module. Here we will go into the credentials, and here you will find the button for sync user. So just click on that, and here you can see the users are imported successfully. And to check that, here you can see that we will go into the setting. Here you can see we have a setting module. We will go into that, and under user and companies we will go into the user. Here you can see a new user is created in the name of BrowseInfo, and here you can see the login details into that. Here you can see a BrowseInfo user is created which is imported from Asana. Now after this, again we will go into our project module, and in here you can see a project for office design. We will go into the office design, and in here under action button you can see Asana export project. So click on that, and in here you can see the type Asana connector and the project, and under that we will click on export button. So here you will get a validation error saying workspace and team are required for export project. So for that, here you will find in project only, you will find a tab for Asana info. Just open that, and here you can see a workspace option. Select my workspace in there, and under team also you need to add my workspace. After all of this, just save it. Now again we will click on the action button, and we will export the project to Asana. Now click on export project, and now you can see your project is being exported. Here you can see that your project has been exported to Asana. So first of all we will go into our Asana, and here you can see a office design project is imported from Odoo into our Asana account. Here you can see the project, and you can also see the stages and the task which was in office design in our Odoo interface. Here you can see the task and every little detail regarding your project into your Asana account. So again we will come into our Odoo interface, and we will go into the Asana module. Here you can find a button for Asana team. Here you can see a team is already created in the name of my workspace. You can see the resource type, Asana team ID, and workspace. And for this workspace, here you will find a button for Asana workspace. You can create your workspace from here. Here you can see the name, resource type, and Asana workspace ID. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box, and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.